Hey everyone, it's Rose for Vlog checking in, and guess what? March in Singapore has been a wet one. If you've been here recently, you'd know the rain has been showing off cool breezes, sudden downpours, and those moody overcast skies. That makes the city feel like a whole different vibe. Let's dive into what's been going on and of course, how you can still make the most of this rainy season. A month of surprises, thunderstorms, and cool breezes. Singapore's weather in March is usually a mix of sunshine and showers, but this year, it's been next level. The first half of the month gave us those signature tropical storms, hot and humid mornings followed by heavy afternoon downpours. Some days, the rain didn't just stop after an hour. It stretched into the night, giving us perfect Netflix and chill weather. But then, mid-month, we got hit with a monsoon surge. Strong winds, lower temperatures, and even more rain transformed the city into a cool, misty paradise. Some mornings dipped as low as 22 degrees Celsius, which, for Singapore, feels almost sweater-worthy. I mean, when was the last time you needed a jacket here? Rainy day plans, no problem. Alright, so outdoor plans might be tricky, but trust me, Singapore still has tons to offer, even when it's pouring. Here are my go-to rainy day activities. Calf hopping and hot kopi sessions. Head over to Siong Bahru or Haji Lane, where you'll find cozy cafes perfect for hiding from the rain. Bonus points if they have a window seat to get a front row view of the raindrops while sipping on a warm latte. Indoor thrills and adventures. Feeling adventurous? Head to Jewel Chanji's indoor rainforest, Gardens by the Bay's cloud forest, or Sentosa's indoor attractions. The rain actually makes these places feel even more magical. Museum and art gallery exploration. The National Gallery, Archon's Museum, or even the lesser-known Red Design Museum are must-visit spots on a rainy day. The vibe moody, inspiring, and perfect for those Instagram snaps. Retail therapy. Orchard Road, Bugis, or Vivacity Singapore's malls are a shopaholic dream. Grab an umbrella, dash between stores, and enjoy a little splurge. After all, rainy days call for cozy new outfits, right? Singapore's weather in March is usually a mix of sunshine and showers, but this year, it's been next level. The first half of the month gave us those signature tropical storms, hot and humid mornings followed by heavy afternoon downpours. Some days, the rain didn't just stop after an hour. It stretched into the night, giving us perfect Netflix and chill weather. But then, mid-month, we got hit with a monsoon surge. Strong winds, lower temperatures, and even more rain transformed the city into a cool, misty paradise. Some mornings dipped as low as 22 degrees Celsius, which, for Singapore, feels almost sweater-worthy. I mean, when was the last time you needed a jacket here? Rain in Singapore isn't just about getting wet, it transforms the city into something totally different. Think misty skylines, glistening streets, and a cozy, calming vibe that makes everything feel magical. So grab your umbrella, your .comfiest sweater. Yes, it's actually cool enough for one. Singapore's rain, it feels like a typhoon, but it's not. If you've ever been caught in a sudden downpour in Singapore, you know exactly what I'm talking about. 1 minute, it's bright and sunny, and the next boom. The sky turns dark, the wind picks up, and within seconds, it's raining so hard that even your umbrella feels useless. The way the rain crashes down, the thunder rumbles, and the wind howls it, feels like a typhoon is rolling through. But here's the thing, it's not a typhoon. Why does Singapore's rain feel like a typhoon? Singapore is located near the equator, meaning we have a tropical climate with 2 monsoon seasons. Unlike countries that experience typhoons, which are massive, spiraling storm systems forming over oceans, Singapore gets hit by sudden, high-intensity thunderstorms, especially during monsoon seasons. These storms come fast, hit hard, and disappear just as quickly, which is why they feel so extreme. The elements that make it feel like a typhoon. Crazy downpours. When it rains in Singapore, it doesn't drizzle, it pours. The raindrops are big, heavy, and relentless. Howling winds. Some storms bring strong, gusty winds, making it tough to hold onto your umbrella or stay dry. Thunder that shakes buildings. Ever been woken up by thunder so loud it sounds like an explosion? Yep, that's just a normal storm here. Flooding in some areas. Heavy rain can cause flash floods in low-lying spots, adding to the typhoon-like effect. Singapore is one of the most lightning-prone places in the world. So if you're outdoors, avoid open spaces, trees, and tall metal structures during a storm. Why March 2025 is wetter and cooler than usual. Singapore's tropical weather is known for its sunshine and showers routine, but this March has been taking the rainy season to another level. Early March, we started with our classic afternoon thunderstorms, the kind that roll in out of nowhere, soak the city in minutes, and then disappeared just as fast. Some days, it even rained well into the evening, perfect for staying in with a good book or a cozy movie night. Mid-March, then we got hit with a monsoon surge. Picture this: strong winds, heavier rain, and temperatures dropping to a rare 22 degrees Celsius. If you've ever wanted to experience sweater weather in Singapore, this was it. The misty mornings and breezy nights made the city feel almost like a different country. Late March forecast: as we move into the last stretch of the month, expect more afternoon showers, cooler nights, and even the occasional all-day drizzle. Basically, keep that umbrella handy, you'll definitely need it. Rainy season pro tips: always carry an umbrella. Singapore rain isn't shy, it can go from drizzling to a full-on tropical storm in seconds. Wear comfy, water-resistant shoes. You don't want to be slipping on wet pavements. Embrace the cool weather. It's rare to get breezy 22 degrees Celsius days here, so enjoy it while it lasts. Capture the moody vibes. If you're into photography, now's the time to snap those misty skyline shots. Final thoughts: why I love rainy Singapore. Honestly, there's something so special about this time of year. The city slows down, the air feels fresher, and there's this peaceful, almost cinematic quality to everything. Whether you're sipping coffee in a warm cafe, watching the rain from a museum window, or taking a quiet night walk by the bay, Singapore in the rain is truly magical. So, how are you spending this rainy March? Drop a comment below with your favorite rainy day activity. I'd love to hear your ideas. And as always, stay safe, stay dry, and keep exploring. Until next time, happy adventures! Thanks for watching this vlog. Hope you enjoyed the rainy season vibes in Singapore. Stay tuned for more adventures, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.